Hello, my name is Jason, and I will be guiding you through this short, positive affirmation exercise for amateur bowlers and professional bowlers. For maximum benefit, do this daily, and if you can, look into a mirror and smile at yourself while you listen and then repeat each statement that I give you. Let us begin now. I am a skilled and confident bowler. I trust my abilities and my technique. I remain calm and focused under pressure. Every ball I release is accurate and effective. I am constantly improving and getting better. I enjoy the challenge of each game. I am a valuable asset to my team. I visualize my mark and hitting it. I learn from every release and pin break. I am resilient and I bounce back from setbacks. And now, take a big deep breath and congratulate yourself for taking these steps towards your ultimate goals. Remember, repetition is key, so make sure to return here tomorrow. Have a great day.